Hi, I'm Stephen Downes. I'd like to take a few minutes to talk about the difference between a PLE, or personal learning environment, and an LMS, or VLE, learning management system, or virtual learning environment. The VLE, or LMS, you're probably already familiar with. It's the learning management system that sits at your institution. It's got a central software application that is hosted by the institution, and you, represented by the smiley face, access that application, connect to it, withdraw content from it, perform activities on it, take quizzes on it, etc. Everything happens in this centralized application. A PLE, by contrast, has you at the center, and you access different resources from around the internet. iBook, CMS, YouTube, Facebook, Google Docs, whatever you want. Now, all of these services could be offered through a learning management system. Here's collaboration, LMS style, for example. You and your friend, represented by smiley faces, can connect through the LMS and perform your collaboration. The problem is, if your friend doesn't have access to the LMS, they can't collaborate with you. In a personal learning environment, what happens is you and your friend collaborate in some separate collaboration environment separated from the LMS. You can still connect to the LMS, but you and any person in the world can collaborate. You choose your own place where you collaborate, your own application. Now, an LMS says, oh, we can provide all this. You can have different people on different networks collaborate if we create a network of VLEs. It's known as a federation. And what happens is one VLE or one LMS connects directly to another LMS. So you and your friend can collaborate by logging on to different but connected LMSs. But of course, this doesn't work if you're the poor person who does not have an account on any learning management system. A federation only supports those who are members of the federation. Personal learning environment, by contrast, doesn't distinguish between being in the federation or out of the federation. You connect to whoever you want to directly. You connect to different LMSs as well, different services. When you connect to anyone directly, then you and your friend can choose whatever environment you want to collaborate in. One final really big difference. When you connect on a learning management system, your data sits at the learning management system. This means that if you leave the institution, the company, or whatever, your data stays behind. Your data is not portable, and your data can be used not only by the LMS owner, but whoever the LMS owner wishes to share it with. Other companies, government, your dog, whatever. For personal learning environment, your data belongs to you. That doesn't necessarily mean you store it on your own computer, though you could. Typically, you'll store it on services out there on the web. The important thing is you decide what services you're going to share your data with, and when somebody else wants to use your data, they have to do so with your permission. So, I hope you'll join me and enjoy the benefits of being a happy smiley face on a personal learning environment. I'm Stephen Downes.